Where are you from in India?
Uh, I am from New Delhi in India.
New Delhi. Okay. I know New Delhi. Do you know
Yes, the
Assam?
capital city of India.
Yes.
Yes, I
Capital.
listen about Assam. Assam capital city is Dispur.
Of course. Assam capital city in Dispur. Yes. How is the weather today in your local area? In
City.
yes,
Yes.
city.
In my city, the weather is very cold. That's why I wear jacket. I wear a warm coat, and I on my heater also because of there is so much cold, and there are so much pollution also.
Okay. So same here in our local area because I live in village and village area also very cold and because nowadays winter season going on and you
Yes.
can see I wear on blanket and cap.
Yes, I can see. I know in your clothes. I can see in your state also
Yes,
is cold.
cold of course.
Okay, what do you want to become in future?
Sorry.
What do you want to become in future?
Okay. Because I my future plan actually uh, I like a job. Like actually, I'm a student and I also looking for a government job. And my second thing actually, when I English fluent speaker, actually I want to be a English content creator because
Okay,
now I have one YouTube channel. Okay.
so means you want to improve your English because you want to create content in English in
Yes. Yes.
YouTube.
Yes.
Okay,
I
so
upload
you want
every single
job
day.
also.
Okay, tell me.
Okay, that's great. Okay, you want a job, but what five things you will see in your job?
Okay. So job actually it's a permanent. Actually, when I get a job and a job actually I
Job
think
will be permanent.
yes.
Okay, first component is job will permanent, and second,
Second thing actually uh, when you get a job and you earn money and every day because you earn job and like business actually also good but I love job. Okay.
so why do you want? Why don't you like business rather than a job? You like job, but mostly people like business because they think, okay, now we don't have time to discuss, so that's
Okay, okay, okay.
great. Goodbye, nice to meet you.
Goodbye, nice to meet
I
you.
want to meet you later soon.